In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear recent file history in Google Drive. When you open Google Drive, you'll usually see your most recently opened or edited files right away. This can be convenient, but sometimes you might want a bit more privacy, especially if you share your screen or your computer with others. While Google Drive doesn't let you completely erase the entire recent section in one click, you can control what appears there by removing or deleting specific files, or by managing access so they no longer show up in a way that exposes what you're working on. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Then make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left side. You'll see options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. Click on Recent. This view shows files you've opened, edited, or interacted with most recently. If there are files here that you no longer want to appear in your activity, you have a couple of options. The most direct is to remove or delete the file itself. To do that, hover your mouse over the file you want to remove. You'll see a small checkbox or a right-click option. Right-click the file and choose Remove. This sends the file to the trash, and it will no longer appear in your recent view for that account. If you want it gone completely, go to Trash on the left side, right-click the same file again, and choose Delete Forever. Be careful with this step, because permanent deletion can't be undone. If the file isn't yours, for example, it was shared with you by someone else, you won't be able to permanently delete it. But you can remove your access so it stops appearing. In that case, in the Recent tab, right-click the shared file and choose Remove. It disappears from your recent and from your main drive views, but the owner still keeps the original in their account. For files that you still need but don't want to show up prominently, a useful tip is to avoid opening them from the Recent section itself. Instead, organize them into clearly named folders in My Drive, so you can navigate directly to them without always refreshing the recent list with the same documents. Finally, remember that Google keeps some activity logs tied to your account, especially in shared files. But for normal day-to-day privacy on your own screen, removing and deleting items from Drive and Trash is the practical way to clear out what shows up in your recent history.